In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a reference image in Clip Studio Paint. Now, of course, there's a lot of ways to do this. I'm going to show you one which I think is pretty cool. So I usually go to the top right here and click on those two arrows in the top right to actually open this side panel over here, and then you want to enable this sub view. So by default, you should not see it over here. So go to the Window tab, and then you want to click on sub view, and of course, it's going to pop up. So just like this, there we go. And then you have your navigator and then the sub view right next to it, and then you can just drag and drop your reference image in here. Okay, so I'm just going to drag and drop an image which I have over here. I'm just going to do it like this. There we go. Drag and drop it in the field, and there we go. We now have a reference image, and we can start drawing, painting, whatever. Now you can make this a bit bigger. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can use this zoom scale over here. You can use the plus or minus button if you wanna. You could go ahead and fit to navigator as well. You could go ahead and make it bigger by basically extending it over here to, of course, the width, and then you can adjust the height by going over here where you can see this gray line. Click in, and then there we go. You can drag it out like that, and of course you can make this as big as you wish, and then you can start painting on your canvas directly over here. So if I scroll down like that, there we go. Let's say this is my reference. I'm trying to, for example, draw the head of this fox over here. I could go select my brush, and I can go ahead and just start by basically painting. Okay, so that's essentially how you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.